Right, okay, let's look at this question. This question I'm going to explain the concept of collinear, right? What's the meaning of collinear? So, okay, before that I have to tell you that, so let's say if I have point A, right? Point A, B, C and D. So they have the same gradient and have the same direction. So I can say that AB can describe to be a scalar of scalar multiple of the line C to D, right? But I cannot say A, B, C, D are collinear, all right? But A, B, C, D are not collinear, all right? Is not collinear. So why is this not collinear? See, these two lines are parallel, but these two lines parallel, but the 4 point cannot form a single line, right? You cannot forming a single line. So it means they are not on the same line. So if you're joining, I can say that this vector AB and CD are parallel. All right, the direction are the direction the same, and parallel means the gradient are the same. So and it can be rewrite as in this form. This is parallel, but this is not collinear. ABCD is not collinear. Collinear have to be let's say ABCD is collinear. Then we say that the 4 point ABCD this is called collinear, which all this point is formed on the same line, right? On the same line, which you cannot draw a triangle by using any 3 point here, right? You can using, but this one you can draw a triangle, right? It's not collinear, right? It's not collinear. For example, is this 3 point collinear? ABC, is this 3 point collinear? No, because you see, they can form a triangle. It's not collinear. Collinear, it can't form a triangle. You know, triangle can be formed by 3 point, right? But this one is, no matter how you draw, also you are forming a line only. Means that A, B, C are collinear. They are actually forming a straight line. So how to, what is the concept of A, B, C are collinear? Okay, collinear, very simple. Let's say if I said, okay, now I introduce concept first, followed by solving this question. You have to understand the concept, right? You cannot do it blindly. So A, B, C are collinear. So collinear means that I must show that there is a common point, right? Equals to K of B to C, all right? Or I said it will be lambda A to C, right? This is collinear. Can you see? You have B here. Means that they are joined, right? This line AB and BC, they are joined together, right? As long as you see that these two have both sides have point B and point B, for this relate to B and B, so this is collinear. Or A and A, you have A, then here you have A, so means that A to B is the same as lambda A to C. They are parallel. AB is parallel to AC, and they share the common point. So it means A, B, C are collinear. But you look at this. A, B. A is not here. Right? It's CD. B is not here also. So these two are parallel, but they are not collinear. Right? Collinear at least means that you must have at least you must have a point which is a common point, C and A. So means if you want to show something is collinear, you have to find the vector AB and the vector BC, and you can relate this AB and BC by a scalar multiple. All right. So or A is inside the vector of the right hand side here. Okay. So that they can relate. Okay. So now we have already know that this question, A, B, C are collinear. They have tell you that A, B, C are collinear. So what is the value of P? All right, let's see how to calculate this. All right, okay. After you understand the concept, and you must try to doing this question. So very simple. So they say that such that A, B, C are collinear. The first thing I can know that A, B, C are collinear if AB is parallel to BC. Okay. So AB is parallel is K times BC. Right, and you can use lambda, alpha, beta, right, BC. Or you can rewrite it as AB equals to lambda A to C. You can using either one of these to finding the value of P. All right, so I start by using this. Okay, either one, anything. BA equals to alpha, B to C. All right, so let's look at this. So let's say you have point A and point B. So point A and point B. So point A, I just draw it out so that for you to understand point A and point B. So I can find the vector A to B first, right? Vector A to B. How to find vector A to B? So it's the position of vector B subtract the position of vector A. So, okay, for B, I can change the coordinates, become a position vector, you know, right? So this is a refer to the origin. Relative to origin, it will be 1, 3, 5 minus with OA. OA is 4, negative 9, negative 1. So we have 1 minus 4, negative 3, right? 1 minus 4, negative 3. 3 minus, you have 12. You see, positive, right? 9 plus 3, 12. 5, you have 6, right? So this is your AB. So, okay, after you finding AB, we're finding for BC, all right? B to C. See whether these two can relate or not. If they relate, definitely they will be parallel and they are collinear because they have this common point here. So B to C. So B to C is the position vector for C minus away the position vector for B. So position vector for C minus a position vector for B. So for C, you will have P negative 1, 3, right? P negative 1, 3, and B, you have 1, 3, 5. Okay, let's P minus 1, right? P minus 1. Negative 1 minus with 3. So you have negative 4, right? Negative 1 minus with 3, you have negative 4. 3 minus 5, you have negative 2, right? So how to find the value of P here? So you have to know this concept here, right? This concept here means that vector AB can be K times the vector BC because the question already tell you A, B, C are collinear, right? So we can using this. So as AB negative 3, 12, 6, the vector AB can relate by a scalar multiply of vector B to C, right? B to C, P minus 1, negative 4, negative 2. As you know that vector AB and BC, A, B, C are on the same line. And of course, if they are on the same line, they are parallel, right? AB is K times the AC, or we say that AB is K times the BC, right? For vector. So how to find the value of K, all right? Let's see how to calculate the value of K. All right, okay, let's continue see how to solving this. Very simple, I can just compare, right? So I can finding the value of K first. You can see that 12, right? This dimension and this one. So it's a K times with negative 4, right? Negative 4, you're getting 12. So it means that K is the same as 12 divided by negative 4, which giving you negative 3, right? So 14 over negative 4, which giving you negative 3. The same thing also if you're using 6, right? If you use either one, so 6 equals to K times negative 2. So K will be 6 divided by negative 2, you will still getting negative 3. Means that K is a negative number, alright? It's negative 3. So therefore, you know that negative 3 is K. It's K times P minus 1, right? Put a bracket, P minus 1. And you know that the K is negative 3, right? The value of K is negative 3. So negative 3, negative 1, right? So, okay, after you find the, okay? So you know that the K is negative 3, right? K is negative 3. So which is P minus with 1, right? P minus with 1. And negative 3 divided by negative 3, you're having 1 to be P minus 1. So therefore, P will be equals to 2, right? So since they are telling you are collinear, and this is the way we're using the concept of collinear to finding the value of P, which give you P equals to 2, right? So from the observation here, we know that AB is you see the scalar here. I just extra for you. You can stop the video if you think it's enough. So now I just extra explain in depth for you. So AB I know is negative 3, right? Negative 3 of B to C, right? Negative 3 B to C here. So what's the meaning here, right? Alright, the meaning here very simple. So if you have ABC, right, ABC, so means that the AB, alright, the AB is 3 times the BC, alright, it's 3 times BC, means that the B is nearer, alright, I should draw the B is nearer to A, right, because you see AB is, A to B will be longer, alright. Alright, and draw the diagram. You see that ABC, so means that AB is 3 times the length of BC, right? Don't look at the negative one. First, the meaning of 3 here, the scalar, the negative is tell you the opposite direction, and the 3 is to tell you that it's triple, right? For example, this one is 1 unit. This one will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Means that BC is 3 times BC, right? 1, 2, 3. But if BC go in this direction, the AB, right? AB will be anti-direction because you see that there is a negative 3 times the BC, right? AB is negative AB. So AB is negative 3 times B to C, all right? So that's the meaning here. So means that the vector AB, is negative 3 the BC. So means that they have opposite direction, but the length is 3 times the length of BC. Alright, I think that's all for this video. The most important thing is you know how to use the concept of collinear. You can using this also, and you will still finding the same value of P. Alright, I think that's all for this video.